Oh my god, I look horrible. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Sorry it's so loud in here, but Burlington, and I wasn't actually gonna film in here, but then I was like looking at some of these clothes and they're so cute. Sorry, I was trying to maneuver that. I don't know what's going on. It's like stuck. I didn't do it. But look at this. If I was having like a little summer baby, oh, that would be perfect. But I'm having a little winter baby, so. But, I mean, like, everything that I've touched so far is adorable. And, like, these are actually, like, good prices. Like, this is so cute. Look at this one. Okay, I might buy this one. But it's, like, short. And that's why I'm like, I don't know. I can't. Because, like I said, I'm not having a little summer baby. Look at that one. Every single one of them comes with like a little thingy. And it's e-box. Like a little bow for the hair. How cute. Alright, look at this one. So there's that one. And then look at this one. This one has 3. Like, you know me, I don't like pink. Like, I'm a black girl. Everything that I own is black or like dark gray. I'm like Batman. It's always black, sometimes dark gray. Oh, look at this one. But then again, shorts, so I can't really do that. But if you guys have a baby right now, you guys should definitely come over to Burlington, because oh my god, look at this one. Look at that. Look at that little summer dress. How cute. Oh, I'm sorry, girls have the cutest clothes. Like my son, he used to wear like suits and stuff, but I'm telling you, the girls have the cutest. Look at that one. That's probably like 8 or 7. I'm not really sure what I need. So I'm pretty sure that like when you have your baby shower, that a lot of people go out and they buy like 0 to 3 clothes. So I feel like I bought so many 0 to 3 clothes that I don't necessarily need anymore. But like, even though there isn't a lot to choose from, this stuff is just so cute. Look at this one. It's a full outfit. Oh, it's actually more than that. Oh wow. Look at this one. So it comes with a hat. Can you guys see that? I'm sorry. So it's a gift set, 0 to 3. It comes with a bodysuit, a sleep and play, a garment bag, pants. So basically a whole outfit, and pajamas. It has a bib, a hat, a blanket, booties, and then a small toy. Like, isn't that adorable? For 17 bucks. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm like in love right now, guys. Oh, look at that one for the boy. Look at how cute. Alright, let's see. Am I in 3 to 6? Oh, look at Hello Kitty. Alright. Guys, if you have a baby, get your booty down here. Look at these. $7.99 for 4. And you can put these underneath sleepers or pajamas. You know. Underneath some PJs. Oh my god, I'm so in love right now. Look at this one. It's a little Minnie Mouse. But this looks like so spring. Oh, how cute is this? This has what, 5? 5 for 10, so $2 each. And they're all like flowers. How cute is that? Look at that one, a little Stitchy. Oh my goodness. I love animals. This is Carter. How much is that? doesn't actually say. Oh, but it's so cute. The little summer outfits. So cute. This one's pretty. That looks so like Easter. Oh my goodness. Look at it. So very cute. Oh my gosh. Look at this one. It's Tigger. Oh, that's so adorable. And she's like looking back at this stuff like, what did I miss? I know that I missed something. Oh, look at that one. It comes with this little bow. Oh my god, yeah. I'm sorry. I hope I don't get copyrighted. It was so loud in there, like ridiculously loud. I felt like I was in a nightclub. I'm too old for this. I'm like, turn your music down. I'm a grandma. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what I got because I didn't get that much stuff. There wasn't like a lot of stuff. But let's see. First thing I got is these little bibs. Aren't they cute? So these right here were $3.99, so like $1.25, $1.30 each. So I thought that was a good thing. I'm gonna move you back a little bit. There's a lot of people who are like walking by my car. But I kind of like the pattern. There was like a whole bunch of them there. There was actually one that was like $5.99 and there was like 8 in there or something, but they were like really cheap. So I didn't get that. Right, the other thing I got, yeah, that's my bag of water. I keep water with me everywhere. So that is what this is right here. Right there. Alright, the second thing I got was the bodysuit, which I had already showed you guys in the store. But they come with like the little headbands. So this one right here was, I believe, $7.99. Yeah, it was $7.99 for 6 pieces. And like the little headbands come with them. So cute. Alright. The next thing I got was $7.99, and I had already showed this to you too. This is 0 to 3 months, but they are different colors because, like I said, I like pink, like pastel pinks, but I'm like, just because you're having a girl doesn't mean that you have to saturate your baby in pink constantly. I mean, if for some reason they're like, is this a boy, is this a girl, because people are sometimes rude, just be like, put a bow on its head or something, you know. But I just really like these colors. I thought that they were different. Like the blue one is so pretty, but even this, I was like, oh, it's kind of cute. I ended up getting this one right here. So this one was $9.99. It was a little bit more, but it was purple. Purple is like one of my favorite colors, like purple and black. This baby is gonna be saturated in purple. So, because I don't really want to put my kid in black all the time, because it needs to have a choice. It can't be me. I watch Emily Boo a lot, and her daughter Violet, cutest thing ever. But she like gets to have her own personality and stuff, even though like Emily Boo is like a goth. Like she's a true goth. Like I wish that I could dress like her. I just don't have the energy to do my makeup and look all cute like her, or I definitely would. But her kid, she was like, yeah, like when my kid was a baby, I dressed her in pink, and I dressed her in, you know, like regular colors, because just because I dress a certain way doesn't mean that like I want to push that onto my child. And I kind of feel the same thing. My daughter is a little mini me. Like she is me in high school when I was like full emo goth. That's my daughter now, like always band shirts, always, you know, freaking boots and chains and all that other stuff. And me, I'm just like hoodies that happen to be black. I'm a retired goth. I just love black, I guess. So, but I ended up getting these right here. So they are like just normal colors, some green, some purple, with different prints. Like so cute, right? Another one, it just has like a little flower on it, so like you can tell that they're for girls because they do have the flower on them for the greens. But I was like, I like green. So, and I got all of this stuff in 3 months, so 3 to 6 months, except for this one, because they didn't have this one in the 3 to 6 months. But I got everything in 3 to 6 months because I feel like I've already bought 0 to 3. And my friend Liz from work was telling me about how her niece was born, and the baby is huge. Like, the baby is in 3 to 6 months, and it's only like 3 months old. And it's because it's such a long baby. Now, my kids were always like really tiny, but I can't guarantee what this baby is going to be. So, like, I don't want to buy 30 outfits that are like newborn, because I don't know if my kid's going to fit in newborn. Like, my son, he fit in preemie. He fit barely in newborn, and then when he was like a year old, he was still in 3 to 6 months, and like he always had issues with like pants, because he was such a tiny baby. And then my daughter, she was like fairly normal, but always one size behind. So I kind of wanted to, I don't want to buy any more 3 0 3, because I'm pretty sure that if anybody buys me anything, if I do have a sorry guys, if I do have a baby shower, they're probably gonna just go ahead and buy me like 0 to 3, because I think that's what I would buy. So for someone, but yeah, the other thing that I got was these little socks, because I thought they were cute. So these are $4.99, and there's 8 socks in there. So yay, super cute. I went to Walmart the other day and I bought 8 pairs of socks for $5.99 or $6.99. So I thought that this was a really good deal. And this is the last thing that I bought, was just socks. So again, I like the purple and like the pinks and stuff. So I feel like the baby has enough socks, because these are 0 to 6. And then has enough clothes right now that I think I am all done, because I don't want to keep buying this kid clothes. He's gonna have so many clothes, it's gonna be ridiculous. So I think that I'm done. I think I'm done until after the baby shower, and then try to figure out. My job is closing, and so I work at Walgreens. My job is closing, and they ended up, sorry, I'm like adjusting. Today was the employee discount day. Like, I can go into any Walgreens and I'll get 25 to 15 to 25% off of everything, or 25 to 30% off of everything. I don't remember what it is, but because my job is closing, a lot of stuff is marked down. So I was able to get like baby bottles, which I actually seen them in here and they were kind of cheaper, and I'm kind of mad because they were $14.99, and then with the discount I think I got them at like 10. I'm so chunky. But I was able to get like diapers. I got like 2 packs of diapers, 2 like the pacifier. I got a bottle. I got just random things. So I'm hoping that it's just gonna like kickstart everything, because guys, I am now 3 months. So yeah, I am about 12 weeks. I'll be 12 weeks Monday. So yeah, I am out of the clear, or into the clear, or however you say it. I'm out of the woods. I am good. The baby is good. We have been getting updates, and all of our testing is saying negative for all these different diseases: cystic fibrosis, spinal bifida or something. I don't know what it was. Down syndrome, the extra chromosomes, all of that stuff. We only have 1 more test to go, and unfortunately it's Tuesday, and that's the same as a exact date as my my exam, because I was just gonna miss class to go, but I have an exam, so I can't, so I have to reschedule that. But once that is clear, we are in the clear. We don't have to worry about anything else. So fingers crossed, pray for me, pray for my little baby, and then hopefully yeah, hopefully we will go forward. I'm kind of excited. All right guys, so I will see you guys later. Okay, so have a really great day. I'm exhausted. I'm going home to sleep. I've been out all day. So yeah, thanks for coming with me. I'm sorry this was like a last minute thing, so it's gonna be a really quick video, but continue to follow us on our journey, because we need support, we need community. And yeah, so don't forget to comment down below what is the most important thing you think that you've ever bought for a baby, because I'm still trying to find out what it is, because I haven't been, like, I've been a mom forever, but I haven't been a newborn mom in 18 years. So my kids are 18 and 21, and I'm finding out so much stuff, like bumpers, the crib bumpers, no longer a thing. Crib sets, no longer a thing. Like so much stuff I'm finding out. And then also, if you can recommend some stores, because I be going to Walmart all the time, just because I'm always in Walmart, and I literally can't find anything. I don't know what I'm supposed to be buying for this kid, but I can't find anything. Like, where do I buy a mobile? Do people still have mobiles? When I go on Amazon, I feel like everything is overpriced right now, and I'm like mad, because I'm like, shouldn't be spending $30 on bottles. Like, that's ridiculous. So yeah, I do have a registry with Amazon. I'm probably gonna move it to Target, I think, but I can go ahead and link that if you want to buy something for the baby. I don't know, it's up to you. I'm not asking you to, but it would be nice, because I'm poor and I'm a single mom now. So but if you guys can just comment down below, like, what's the most important thing, because I'm basically a brand new mom at this point and I don't know what I'm doing. But definitely like this video, so that way it can get out there to other people who might be struggling as well, or who just want to see like some cute hauls. But I am gonna go, because there's people staring at me. But I will see you later, okay? Bye, friends.